Understand the benefits of opening an offshore bank account in Jersey. Research and compare different banks in Jersey that offer offshore banking services. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements set by the banks, including minimum deposit criteria. Gather the necessary documents such as proof of identity, proof of address, and source of funds. Consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor or lawyer familiar with offshore banking regulations. Contact First Security Bank Solutions to initiate the account opening process. Follow the bank's instructions to complete the required application forms accurately. Arrange for the notarization and apostille of documents if needed. Provide any additional documents or information requested by the bank for due diligence purposes. Transfer the minimum deposit amount to the designated account. Determine the type of account you wish to open, such as personal or corporate, based on your needs. Familiarize yourself with the bank's online banking facilities, if available. Understand the bank's fee structure, including account maintenance fees, transaction fees, and currency conversion charges. Comply with all relevant international tax laws and regulations applicable in your country of residence. Regularly review your offshore bank account and seek our professional advice for any updates or changes to your financial situation. Take advantage of First Security's expertise and personalized approach for a seamless overseas banking experience. Contact First Security Bank Solutions today to discuss your offshore banking needs.